Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Kriti Sanong's bodycon dress fashion choices showcase her flair for modern elegance and her ability to pull off effortlessly chic looks that highlight her toned figure. In her photo shoots, the actress often gravitates toward body-hugging dresses that blend sophistication with a hint of boldness, emphasizing her confidence and unique style. One of her most captivating looks is a sleek, monochrome bodycon dress, which molds to her curves and showcases her enviable silhouette. The dress typically features minimalistic details like high necklines or sleek cuts, allowing the dress's fit and her styling to take center stage. In some cases, she chooses dresses with a bit of shimmer or metallic accents, adding a luxurious feel that makes her appear red carpet ready even in casual settings. For her photo shoots, she often pairs these bodycon outfits with accessories that enhance her outfit without drawing attention away from the dress. Delicate jewelry, like slender earrings and thin bracelets, elevate her look without overpowering the simplicity of the bodycon silhouette. She often complements these dresses with pointed stiletto heels that not only add height but also elongate her figure, enhancing the effect of the fitted dress. Her hairstyle choices range from loose waves cascading over her shoulders, adding a touch of romance, to sleek, pulled-back buns or ponytails, which highlight her sharp features and keep the focus on her outfit. Her color choices for bodycon dresses are just as impressive, varying from classic blacks and whites to more daring hues like deep reds, royal blues, and jewel tones. Each color selection enhances her look in distinct ways. Black and white dresses give her an iconic, timeless appeal, while brighter or bolder shades add a punch of color that plays up her radiant personality. Some of her dresses feature subtle design elements like side slits, off-shoulder cuts, or asymmetrical necklines, which provide visual interest without distracting from the overall elegance. The result is a series of photos that capture her poised and confident personality, making each bodycon look feel unique and tailored to her individual style. When it comes to makeup, the actress typically chooses a sophisticated yet natural look, with well-defined eyes, nude soft pink lips, and a flawless complexion that complements the refined vibe of her dresses. Her makeup subtly enhances her features without overshadowing the outfit, allowing her inherent beauty to shine through. These choices make her bodycon dress looks highly versatile, suited to various settings from glamorous evening events to more casual, stylish outings. Her attention to detail in her bodycon dress photoshoots goes beyond just the dress itself, as she also pays close attention to her poses and expressions, adding depth and personality to each look. Her poses are confident and poised, capturing her elegance while highlighting the dress's fit and structure. She often strikes a side profile or a stance with one leg slightly forward, enhancing the dress's silhouette and adding a dynamic quality to the images. This posing style not only accentuates her curves but also emphasizes the contours of the dress, making each outfit feel lively and fashionable. In some of her photo shoots, Kriti experiments with dresses that have bold textures, like ribbed or velvet fabrics, which add a layer of richness to the outfit. These textures catch the light in unique ways, adding depth and visual interest to the look. Her ability to choose these distinctive textures demonstrates her understanding of how fabrics can elevate a style without needing intricate embellishments. When it comes to adding a statement element to her outfits, the actress sometimes opts for bold, structured blazers or jackets draped over her shoulders, giving her bodycon dresses an edge that feels both chic and powerful. A tailored blazer can add sophistication to a simple dress, while a cropped jacket brings a playful vibe, making the outfit feel versatile and fashion-forward. These layering choices add dimension to her look, allowing her to seamlessly transition from a day-to-night style. Whether in a monochromatic ensemble or mixing tones for a contrast effect, her use of jackets and blazers reflects her ability to reinvent a classic bodycon dress with a modern, trendy twist. In terms of location choices for her photo shoots, the beauty embraces a variety of backdrops, each setting enhancing the mood of the outfit she's wearing. For her sleek and chic bodycon styles, she often chooses minimalist settings like neutral-colored walls, modern interiors, or cityscape backdrops that keep the focus squarely on her outfit. She poses against soft, dreamy lighting that adds an almost ethereal quality to her look, while in other shoots, she's framed against vibrant street scenes or architectural details that add a dynamic urban vibe. These settings bring her outfits to life, showing how her style translates to both polished indoor settings and stylish city vibes. For accessories, the beauty occasionally opts for bolder statement pieces, such as chunky bracelets or a single standout ring, which give her look a hint of drama. In these cases, she's careful not to over-accessorize, maintaining the bodycon dress's simplicity while adding just a touch of elegance or flair. Sometimes she opts for textured handbags, like clutches with metallic or studded accents, that complement the dress without detracting from its minimalistic design. These thoughtful additions enhance her outfits without overwhelming the polished and streamlined appearance of her bodycon style. Her choice of bodycon dresses with sheer or mesh paneling is another standout element in her fashion arsenal. Dresses with strategic cutouts or mesh panels along the sleeves or sides add a subtle, alluring quality to her look, creating an edgy contrast while still retaining a chic, polished vibe. The sheer panels lend a sense of sophistication and intrigue, drawing attention to certain areas without being overtly revealing. Her footwear also plays a pivotal role in her photo shoots, with Kriti often choosing strappy heels or sleek pumps that complement the dress's style. The right pair of shoes not only elongates her frame but also completes the outfit's vibe, making her look poised and ready for any occasion. Her choice of outerwear when paired with bodycon dresses adds another layer of sophistication and versatility. She sometimes opts for long, tailored coats or oversized blazers, giving her look a structured, powerful vibe. This style juxtaposition between the fitted dress and the loose outerwear creates an appealing balance, adding dimension to her silhouette. For more casual shoots, she might pair her dress with a cropped leather jacket, giving her ensemble a street-style edge that feels youthful and modern. These layering choices make her outfits versatile, as they can easily transition from a glamorous event to a relaxed evening out. Her footwear choices also play a defining role in completing her bodycon look. For a luxurious finish, she often selects designer heels, like strappy stilettos or pointed pumps that add sophistication and height. In some photo shoots, she's seen in heeled boots, which bring an edgier, fashion-forward vibe to her look. The contrast between the dress's sleek lines and the bold footwear creates a stylish, balanced effect that elevates her outfit. This thoughtful pairing of shoes with each dress demonstrates her eye for detail, ensuring that every element of her look contributes to a cohesive, fashionable image. In many of her bodycon dress photo shoots, the beauty takes inspiration from high-fashion editorials, often channeling a sultry, confident persona that enhances the dress's impact. Her facial expressions, ranging from soft smiles to intense gazes, bring the photos to life, adding personality and emotion to each look. This range in expression shows her modeling skill, making each photoshoot dynamic and memorable. Her bodycon dress photoshoots capture her as a modern-day fashion icon, showcasing her love for sleek, chic styles paired with an array of textures, colors, and accessories. Her fashion choices emphasize a refined, elegant aesthetic, but she also isn't afraid to push boundaries with bold patterns, unique textures, and vibrant colors. Through her styling, the actress demonstrates that bodycon dresses can be versatile and personalized, offering a wide range of looks from timeless and minimal to bold and edgy. Her confident poses, sophisticated styling, and innovative fashion choices in each photoshoot create an engaging visual experience, solidifying her status as an inspiring figure in contemporary fashion. And if you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.